Hey everybody, and what's up? If you want to reset your Chrome settings on your Android device and you're looking out for a tutorial, in this video we are going to guide you step by step. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So if you want to go ahead and do so, you can start by opening up your phone settings. So tap on settings and you can clear your data. So for that, go over and scroll down and find the section for apps. So tap on apps, and once you tap on apps or notification section, you can just go over and here view a list of all of the installed applications. You can locate and select the option of Chrome from here. And once you find Chrome, you can tap on it to open up Chrome settings available here. So what you can do is you can basically look out for the option called storage here. So tap on storage. And once you tap on storage, you can look out for the option of cache or clear data. So tap on clear cache first. And if that does not do it, you can tap on this option called manage storage. And once you tap on manage storage, you just need to select this option of clear all data or select this option of free up space. And you just need to go ahead and select either of the options available. When you do so, that will reset the application to its factory settings. You can confirm the action if a prompt appears, and that will permanently delete all of the Chrome's data, including the history and the saved password. And all of your browsing history, cookies, site data will also be erased that way. And that is it. Once you do so, you can go ahead and open up the Chrome once again, and you will be finding the Chrome back again into its default state and into its default Chrome settings on your Android device. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. It is pretty quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.